Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Today, we're going to be breaking down the most underrated tool in your home or garage, microfiber towels. What makes them so effective? What is the difference between each towel, and what weaves should you use for washing, drying, dusting, or for glass? It's time to know all about microfiber towels. Let's jump right in. So, what qualifies as microfiber? To earn the name, each filament must weigh less than 1 gram per 9,000 meters in length. Yes, 9,000 meters. That's thinner than human hair and even thinner than silk. These incredibly fine fibers are bundled, usually 72 or 144 at a time, into yarns. Then those yarns are woven or knitted into the towel fabrics that we use for cleaning and detailing. Most microfiber towels are made from polyester, polyamide, or other polymers. But the real magic happens when you combine the right materials with the right weave. Many professional grade towels, like the ones from Euro, use an 80-20 blend. The 80% polyester gives the fabric structure, and the 20% polyamide gives it that exceptional absorbency. Here's a fun fact. After the towels are woven and dyed, they go through a process that splits the fibers. This creates a ton of microscopic edges that increases the surface area. More surface area means more water retention, more dirt grabbing, and a better clean overall. Microfiber can hold up to 7 times its weight in water, and it's excellent at capturing oils and grime too. Now, towels made up of cotton actually pushes dirt around, creating tiny piles. Microfiber, it lifts and traps dirt and dust inside its fine split fibers. That's why you get a dust-free, lint-free, streak-free shine. It's also great for reducing allergens around your home or car. Another reason detailers and cleaning enthusiasts swear by it. Microfiber is eco-friendly too. You're able to clean with less water, fewer chemicals, and eliminate disposable paper towels. And because these towels can be washed hundreds of times, they outlast cotton by a long shot. Not all microfiber towels are created equal, so let's take some time to look at each weave and when to use them. First up, the terry weave, a true workhorse. With its loop pile texture and super absorbent design, it's great for dusting, drying, and general cleaning. Next up, the waffle weave, a pro's drying secret. The 3D waffle pattern or dented design increases surface area. Air flows through easily and dries faster than regular towels. It is extremely durable due to woven construction and is best for drying cars, windows, dishes, anything that needs fast, streak-free drying. The shaggy weave is the deep dusting and drying expert. The long, cut piles exposes more split fibers for maximum dust capture. It excels on uneven or textured surfaces and is best for drying water on the exterior, capturing dust on the interiors, dashboards, wood surfaces, tight gaps, etc. The chenille weave is the excellent plush cleaner. With their soft yarns with extended pile, it is usually employed in the crafting of effective wash mitts, dusters, and bath mats. It creates tons of contact surface and feels extra cushy. The perfect tool to wash your sud-soaked car without scratching the surface or absorbing all that water when you step out of the shower. We also have the glass weave, which has a flat, tight pile which is specifically designed for glass. These ninjas make sure that your glass surfaces, windows, and mirrors in your car or home are never scratched, just pure shining. And that's your crash course on microfiber towels. From terry to waffle, shaggy to chenille, these tiny fibers pack maximum cleaning power whether you're detailing your ride or cleaning around the house. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our video that we have on how to clean microfiber towels the right way for longevity. And trust me, we're talking years here. Be sure to check it out, link in the description below. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in our different towels with different weaves, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video.